The University of Sheffield is one of the top 100 universities in the world. It has fantastic researchers in science, engineering and medicine. They're the leaders in their field and they want to work on your projects. Our scientists work on the most important problems. We were involved in the Higgs discovery that won the Nobel Prize. We have people who have recreated hearing for gerbils who were deaf using stem cells, and that will go into human beings eventually. And we have people working on the pressing problems of antibiotic resistance, things that affect all our hospitals. Our gateways are a dedicated resource who know the research expertise we have and can help you find the right person to solve your problem.
There are now many funding schemes and mechanisms available that are only available to academics who have an industrial partner. The government now puts a great emphasis on impact and on seeing research leave the university to change the world itself, and because of that the government and indeed the European Commission make available a lot of funding schemes to facilitate that process.
The benefits of working with University of Sheffield were firstly the ability to tap into very specialised expertise that would otherwise be impractical really for us to obtain by any other means. And secondly, to capitalise on specific funding programmes that in effect provided a subsidy to support R&D in a collaborative way, resulting knowledge transfer from academia into industry.
The Sheffield Science Gateway exists to facilitate collaboration between industry and academia.
Together we can develop new products, processes and services that will benefit your business.
I help academics with the research which brings about patient benefit.
I have a unique understanding of the challenges to industry, having spent almost 30 years working in engineering.
Engineering at Sheffield's got a couple of things that are really significant. The first is the scale on which we work. By almost any measure we're the second or third largest engineering faculty in the United Kingdom. Facilities, experts, topics we study, you name it, we do it. We have some of the brightest people in the world working on engineering. And so industry can come here and hope to find people who are experts in what they're interested in and world-class experts at that.
In the early days we had a great deal of help in simply getting the project off the ground with the staff at the Gateway who helped us first of all identify the KTP area for us and then went on to help us make the application and held a hand through the whole of that process.
The benefit that we've seen from the Gateway process is that it's brought a more structured context for developing a project proposal and also more commercial awareness to help with some of the aspects of the interaction between an academic department and a company. So I think that's probably the biggest benefit I could see from the Gateway mechanism.
One of the joys of working with Sheffield has been the accessibility and the way that Sheffield staff have facilitated collaborations. It's been an absolute breath of fresh air.
The reputation of Sheffield is what brought us here. For me personally, one of the unique things was the ability to learn more about the university itself, and the company's actually invested more than just in the EMRC at the university. But we're now sponsoring scholarships for both undergraduates and graduates. This is part of our focus in the UK, and we're looking for the future to actually be able to hire here, get internships from students here, and really make the University of Sheffield more part of the Boeing UK brand.